Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable price alerts in the Kayak app on your Android phone. Price alerts help you track flight, hotel, or car rental prices so you can book at the best possible rate. Let's get started. First, open the Kayak app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Price Alerts from the menu options. After that, tap on Create Alert. Here, you can choose between flights, stays, or cars to track prices. Selecting stays means you want to monitor hotel prices, enter the location and your check-in and check-out dates. Then, set your maximum price to get alerts within your budget. Finally, tap Create Price Alert to start receiving notifications. That's how you create price alerts for hotels and other services on Kayak. Use this feature to save money and book smart. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more guides.